body things.
You see, if I dey talk say you not go make heaven, you know they know why they talk am. Vanity upon vanity, all this vanity.
No, make I tell you wetin dey. You know say if he don't prepare in mind since, if he say, oh, if he talk to himself, he don't forget say I dey here. If he say, oh, me they give me sound, make I turn up. I say, yeah, man, I wouldn't. Only you. So that wouldn't, you know me. What kind of a human being is this? I don't know. At all. So it had gingered his body since. Blood of God, man, sister them get studio. Nedu, who are these girls?
Hey, we be down as how we get some girls in this studio. Where? See a day, cause see a day, cause here a day.
Nedu,
here or see a day. Una go begin talk on the name from 1-1. Sister in the Lord, what is your name?
Nedu, you the auction.
You go there look that camera 5. Ogochukwu. Okay. What is your name?
My name now Onyinyechi.
You uncle?
Kwajafa.
Oh, Onyinyechi, my God, I love
you. Wait, before I come to you, what is your name again?
Kwajafa.
It be like name when they carry do deliverance for person where get evil spirit. Kwajafa! Kwajafa! You evil spirit in this body! Kwajafa! You evil spirit! Kwajafa! What's your own name?
Boluwa. My name is Boluwa. Boluwa TV. Boluwa. Yoruba name.
Swag. Boluwa.
This confusion with this girl confused. Now it shows you how women are confused.
Yes.
Now I first ask you, say what be your name? Bolu. My name is Bolu.
Boluwa.
Boluwa TV. Boluwa.
No, they give you different variation to the name in case, you know, take the one that best suit.
Folikasi! Anyway, our phone numbers they open. Make we begin the call. What do they discuss today now? Waiting woman through want inside the relationship. Which kind man you want? If you're a woman's, if you're a woman in a man's body, call too. Like Caitlyn Jenner, call. Make we know.
So what did they ask? We say. Waiting they find inside man?
Yes, because okay, make I talk something, Katim. I did you that they would follow somebody discuss. He said,
I think Nedu be any of an aspect for you.
No.
I be who?
La.
In no follow. Is he been come?
So wait. So four now where they here now. I'm not be anybody's spec.
No.
Oh, okay, ask that question again.
Nedu.
Nedu, you need to.
Wait. So Nedu no be on aspect, I think.
No, be my spec.
Okay, daddy.
No, me ask them 1-1.
Nedu na your Nedu na your aspect.
Nedu no be my spec.
Onyinyechi. Nedu na your aspect.
Mba. He's not.
Kwajafa. Nedu na your aspect.
I don't get so.
No, you sit down here say, no, it's not my spec. I don't suppose. So Nedu is your aspect. Say for Tangadro, okay, Nedu is your spec. You just don't want to say.
I don't know, man.
So we say yes. Nedu are your spec because there's nothing like you don't know. So Nedu are your spec. Bam. QE the end of discussion. Bam. Okay, the balls.
No. Nedu no be my spec.
Okay, to start with. Now, you get waiting. This glass, I don't know when I want to put.
Why you they wear them now?
I don't know when I mistake. I can't put them for eye.
Give me.
No, make I leave her here. Now, I meet one girl. Who tell me say, any man where she see.
That aspect.
No, he say with the man wear cloth like this. Easy bit. For example, now say I wear jacket now. If the person singlet just the show. Say they scatter her head. Okay. Say make the singlet come neat again. Say if they pieces her brain. I can't think am. BYC. Now I'm going to bust your brain.
No, they are different types. You don't only be a BYC.
Now, I can't say, because women are confused. I can't bring all these ones where they here now.
We just don't lumberjack all of them now into one basket. We all say, how many of them be easy bit? How many of
you now? Is easy bit now your spec?
Die.
Anytime, any day. When you easy bit now your spec?
No, it no be my spec. No be my spec.
Because if easy bit now your spec? No. Bolu easy bit now your spec?
No.
Who can be your spec? Mami water.
Jesus on my spec.
My sister, you will follow only that ladder.
You go follow ladder. Now, make I start with you. Tell me, wetin be the thing as you dey so now? I sure say you never reach 30 years. You never reach 25. Wetin be that thing where you want inside the man?
That thing where in they find.
Where you dey find? You get boyfriend?
No, I never get to.
Well, hold on now. You get boyfriend?
Yes.
Now, tell me, wetin be that thing
Easy.
where you define for where you say if man get am, free entry and free exit?
Everything. Man, name everything.
Yes.
You can't be like saying that Jesus Christ.
No, name am.
No, yours, you know.
First of all, the first thing, he must know God. No, not be money. He must dey fear God. He must have it pray. He must wait. Namuna here.
Continue.
He must dey very hardworking. He must be work as in that's
Which kind of work? When
No,
you
not
say
be
sabi
that kind of work. No, be that kind of work. No, as in you know, me
Get to the talk, I dey hear you.
making them make money, get money. You know, hey, you get where they bring money come. You sabi dress where. He must get sense, very
This kind they do
intelligent.
dressing like
Hey, confirmento. He must be dress original. Just day, you know.
And you must find somebody.
Fine. I know they too like all those kind fine boys. All those.
Why you call them follow exhibit?
No, easy.
Easy not fine like
Nah,
that.
man crush. Now man crush.
Na man crush.
So
Wow.
Sleep well this night. Oh. Sleep well this night.
all those things can't join when you put everything together. Feel sustain conversation with me for the next 3 years. We just they talk. Don't be always when they talk. You don't know anything they talk. You don't know where they come from. We feel the gist.
You see, you confused. Why? Even on all this thing in the kuna, your
Are
mouth
you
will just
company?
go, hold on. Your mouth just go to exhaust pipe. Pato. Now, before I go there now, sorry, I action you now. If you see man for the first time, he dress well, he see him like person where they fear God, he dey in face, then he come meet you, young lady, you not talk, you can't laugh. You go fit trip for him immediately.
If I fit trip from immediately. No, nah. From time to time.
The tripping go yours, they
Hey, go just just start to the trip
I
for
study
person.
the kind person when, you know.
From time to time, you go they build, they come. You go they build friendship.
This
before
one you don't fit do and bubble anyhow.
At all.
No, Abante, we would decode you from 2 miles away. You cannot your
Wait, make I ask you. So you mean say, man, boy never carry you the first day where I carry you, he go.
Why? Nah, so they did.
No, I'm not question I ask.
No, they happen like that. Why?
But it dey happen.
It dey happen, but it not fit happen to me because as you come, I don't see you say na so you be. If you
May
want
you
to
God
say,
go bless the person where that shoot his suit. Nah, man, you look good tonight, Biko.
How many boyfriend you don't get since? From Abuja, good evening, first of all.
Hello?
Good evening. Yo, what's up?
Good evening. Nedu, good evening.
Holla.
I did fine. No, Kasim, good evening.
Good evening, my brother.
Yeah, Emmanuel, you want to say something?
Yeah.
Or you talk something now? Holla.
Actually, this topic one that they discuss, I be very interested in it.
Thank you.
Why? Because you don't say you are speak inside
Second
here.
question,
Second question I want to ask, you say that form where you read, I beg.
yes.
That man, na application for person who want this in daughter. I did
Yes.
application for person who want commit suicide mission.
Now application of person who want marry in daughter, we want date in daughter. Date
how many people don't get this kind of advice?
I beg, the man when he want marry before he get that daughter, now the process when he go through be that.
My brother, you go ask me the same question now. Anyway, Emmanuel, make you sit down, make you hear what these guys get to talk. I don't say they suffer the same thing. God will help you and meet you at the point of your needs. Amen.
Amen.
Holla, get out of here. In Igbo, say bye, boy. Hello from Abuja.
We lost it.
Holla.
No, Abante, everybody's calling because they think say they can find their space.
No, then go
inside
find their
this.
spec. Now, how many boyfriend you don't get since when you begin your boyfriend journey? For your CV, for your CV of boyfriend now, if I say your experience of boyfriend, how many boyfriend cognitive experience has you has? How many boyfriend you don't get?
how many? Only one. Now.
My sister in the law, talk to me. Thunder will strike you here now. You will still be here now. You will still be here now.
Wait, You don't believe wetin she talks.
Why you know?
My sister, you will skip it here.
You know be like who get only yours or
Okay.
who just
Now,
boyfriend.
Kwajafa. Where be like name with the deliver person for the evil spirit. Now, you get boyfriend? Yes. Now tell me, wetin be the thing where they attract you for boy? When they be say, if you see that boy, no matter as long as say that thing dey inside that guy, you fit stay with the guy.
Ma talk true. Okay, first of all, make the boy fine first. That one go feel attract me to the person because if you no fine, if your mouth no fine, I don't go be there.
Man must be handsome with handsome mouth.
That kind of mouth will be pink lips. That kind of mouth.
My sister, you know what's describe the lips.
Pink lips. You do like that. So if I see him now,
This kind of lips are okay now. It's alright.
it's about to be pink like that.
Continue.
And then make the person dey reserve, me no to talk.
Hold on, continue. Okay. Make it submit to talk.
No, make it not to talk.
Because me I dey talk.
This one like person to talk. This one say make it see their confusion.
No.
Bala, good evening. Yeah, okay.
That's what I go.
Bala. Bala. Shola.
Yes?
How is you, Shola? How is your ministry? Hala.
Nedu, how are you now?
Hey, I'm doing fine, man. Hala. She. You don't know nothing, man.
13 baby. Now you can't look fine today. Oh.
So you're not the fine before.
It's yours, my talent.
It's your talent, Abi. I'm doing your job.
Why Shola talk quickly?
DJ Easy how far now?
Boss, I did, Jerry. Good evening, boss.
Good evening. I did like your handwork.
Boss, thank you very much. Thank you very
Shola
much.
talk now.
No forget us.
I answer you now, Nedu. What do you want? Okay. Like me as a man now, what I like in a woman, but
Yes.
all right. I want my woman to be intelligent.
One.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah. 3. I like women with big bobs, front and back.
Now duplex you want?
No, I want front and back, big.
Now the duplex now.
Big.
Okay, Shola. Hold on before you send us to hell. Now see these 4 guests where they here. Choose one.
But you never see their
Okay. I am a camera show me their face now.
Camera they show you their face now.
Oh yeah, wave to him. No, Shola.
Okay. That's one way we are we are pink inside.
You know why this guy choose Shola? You know why Shola choose this girl? Now, when I say make Shola choose, Una notice say the guy bend like this.
That's what they do since.
From Ilani, Genevieve, because Unaji, good evening. Genevieve, Unaji. Hey, Genevieve, how is you? Hey, Genevieve, Unaji, how is you? Hala.
I'm fine.
Are you with me?
I'm with you.
Genevieve, what do you want in a man?
A man that has a good sense of humor.
So you think money me without now? I hesitate.
I'm not making money, just make it get a good sense of humor.
So you don't think money me?
Yeah, no, I don't manage this bit.
Bye. I don't want to talk to you again.
Don't manage easy bit.
Genevieve, cut off my line. Don't call me again. You say you want man will get pink lips. Man will not they talk too much.
Reserve.
Okay, now 2. The third one.
Make it intelligent. Make you can't get. May you know. I know they follow money like that, so may you just get plans where I know say in 5 years if you go fit get waiting
So
you
after
do.
that
Make
5
you know.
years, if that flat no work out, you work out.
Exactly.
My sister, 5 years.
Because no, like when you no be say make you get, I know too they follow money like that, so
you're
make you
just a
just
good
get.
girl. You are looking for internal intrinsic
Person
character.
way if I sleep like this, wake up for morning, I see your face. I go feel
So,
happy. Even if money no.
Ma ask you, wait. Is he say, my sister, you not go see husband quick.
If you know they find money.
So you now, how many men get pink lips? You say what thing you find, you not go see them.
They don't have for a Keja. Pink lips.
Pink lips. How many men get pink? Man will get pink lip na they. Any man will get pink lip is a Alex a couple.
Those kind of people they mention.
I can go and get pink lips, but
you know one man where
that guy, you know that guy Jidena. Exactly that type of person.
wait, hold on. You see,
that's kind man.
We dey waste our time.
that's na banky double. You
the Iblia say na play with the play here. How old are you?
in her 20s.
Oh no, hold on.
No,
because
the
by
woman
age, my see.
in her 20s.
Exactly.
Da, bongboro.
Okay. You. How many? What will be the thing where you want to sign one?
The most important one, make he be God-fearing pass.
Okay.
Make him come get sense. He know book. You know work when they do, where they sustain us. Make my parents like.
Oh wait, man, ask you. How na take the no man where they God fearing?
You don't know now.
You go know.
How you go take no?
How you know?
What he go tell you?
I did God
The first time
fearing.
No,
She go tell you.
I can ask question.
Ask. Okay.
A man where they drink and they smoke, he dey God fearing.
And then they fear God.
No, no.
He dey fear God.
You
join.
never see
You
guys
know
when
good,
they
you know
when
good.
we say they
No,
don't
like wait now. You dey smoke, you dey drink, you dey fear God join.
No, be that type.
You know,
that type
you
of-
confused. One leg in, one leg out.
Why you dey
Confused, man.
Okay, now one leg in, one
God
leg
fearing.
Una go know why I bring all these girls come here today. Now, I go so pursue all of them come on here. Now, you man, ask you, Wetin be the thing where you want inside man?
Make it generous. Make it get money. Make it spend money on top of my head.
Make you get you and go. Make get you and go.
Make it get G-Wagon, you know, those nice things. Luxury life. Me and they wear Rolex.
double duplex.
Double duplex.
My sister, you want from you are there.
Trips to the Bahamas. You know, we
Forget her.
ritualist. Now, like if Papa be senator, if Papa na ex-governor, great-grandpa, na he start Nigeria, you know. Eyes on the price. Eyes on the price kind of man. Not really.
You don't plan am already. Don't worry.
Bolu, if person they look your face, we don't believe
Never.
Grandpapa, now he start Nigeria. My business.
Knowledge, you know, someone that from a good family, like from the family tree from the beginning, you go don't get plan.
No, you
Say,
are too much.
our
Like
grandchildren
Davido.
go, our grandchildren go, no problem. We go
Your
get money
generation.
laid down. So after money now, rest of mind.
My sister, but you know, say you not go marry. No, but you know, say you not go marry, Abi.
And I
All of us don't go marry. Yeah, say pink lips. Say I don't go marry. Everybody
Not
know.
too
Now what you know be that those girls when they marry those men, they not get this thing one and they get for mine.
what do I get for mind?
Everybody
don't get a
Nedu, Nedu, you know say by everybody don't write in own list.
Now
Or
my
like do
sister,
man.
you say who say you want Jidena?
All this unrealistic.
Nedu na yeah I want. You see
Come on.
you wear Jidena suit.
He's a classic man.
classic man. Man, why you come pursue her like that?
Why? See, no, but you know why I bring these people come? Now make una know say girls, una no know wetin una want.
How can you be so sure? These girls don't tell you what's in their mind. Now you dey
Now
inside
the
their
only
mind.
person wey talk true
Na Bolu.
na Bolu.
And you
The rest of them,
Why you
they
think say-
lie. Abemo go break when you come back, we continue job. Bolu sit down for that chair. No, stay close to me.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.